Lila, I want to tell you something important.
What is it, sissy? Why do you look serious?
Well, I am getting married soon.
Getting married? Really? You, my sissy, is getting married?
Yes, it is true. Very soon, I will start a new life with someone special.
Oh, I am so happy for you, sissy, but I will miss you so much.
I will miss you too, little one. Every day, you have been with me, helping me, laughing with me.
Yes, I will always be here for you. I can help you with everything. Dresses, flowers, and the wedding cake.
You are my best helper. I can't do this without you, sissy helper.
I will help you with everything, sissy. I will make sure your day is perfect.
Thank you, little one. You are the sweetest sister. I am so proud of you.
Sissy, promise me you will come back and play with me every day.
I promise, Lila. I will always be your sissy. And we will always have fun together.
I love you, sissy.
I love you too, little one. You are my heart.
Sissy, this dress is so pretty. Try it on.
I am not sure if it is the right one.
It looks amazing. You look like a princess.
Thank you, little one. Your opinion matters a lot.
I like the pink one, but the white one is magical too.
Okay. Let's see the white one.
Wow, you look so beautiful. Everyone will love it.
Yes. I feel a little nervous. Choosing the dress is hard.
Don't worry, sissy. I will help you pick the best one.
Thank you, Lila. You always know what looks good.
Sissy, I am happy to help you today. This is so exciting.
I am happy too, little one. You make everything more fun.
Sissy, today is your wedding day. I am so excited.
Yes. I feel happy and a little nervous too.
Don't worry. You will look so beautiful today.
Thank you, little one. You are my lucky charm.
Sissy, everyone is getting ready. Mom looks very busy.
Yes. Dad is also helping. It feels like a big team today.
I am happy to be part of your special day.
You make everything more fun, Lila. I am glad you are here.
Sissy, I can't wait to see everyone. The guests, the decorations, the food.
Me too, little one. Today is very special because you are with me.
Sissy, I am your little helper. Let's make today the best day ever.
Yes. Together, we will make it perfect.
Sissy, look! He is here, your groom.
Yes. He is here. I feel a little nervous.
Don't worry, he looks kind and friendly.
Thank you, little one. Your smile makes me feel calm.
Sissy, I hope you both will be very happy.
I hope so too. Today is very special.
Can I say hello to him?
Of course, Lila. Be sweet and cheerful.
Hello, I'm Lila, Sissy's little sister.
Hello, Lila. Nice to meet you. You are very cute.
See, little one. He is kind and friendly.
Yes, Sissy, you will be very happy with him.
Thank you, Lila. I am happy because you are here with me.
We are a team today, Sissy. Let's make it perfect.
I can't believe this day is finally here, Lila.
You look like a princess, Sissy. So beautiful.
Wow, thank you, my little angel.
I'll miss you when you go to your new home.
Don't cry, Lila. I'll come to visit you often.
Promise.
Promise. You'll always be my favorite girl.
Then I'm happy now. Let's go, Sissy. Everyone is waiting.
Let's go, my brave little sister. My little girl, I can't believe this day has come.
Sissy, you're really going to your new home?
Yes, my baby. But my heart will always stay here with you.
Who will play with me now? Who will braid my hair in the morning?
You can ask Mom. But I'll still braid it when I visit.
You promise you won't forget me, right?
Forget you. Never. You're my sunshine, Lila.
I don't like this marriage thing. You should stay here.
Oh, my silly girl. One day, you'll also wear a wedding dress and I'll be the one crying.
Then I'll marry someone who lives next door, so you can come every day.
Deal. But until then, you must study well, eat well, and make me proud, okay?
Okay, Sissy, but you'll still tell me bedtime stories, right?
Every night. I'll call you before I sleep, promise.
Promise, promise.
Promise, promise. I love you, my sweet girl.
I love you more, my beautiful Sissy. Bye, Sissy. Don't forget me.
Never, my little star. I'll call you tonight.
Wait, one more hug.
You're my brave girl. No more tears, okay?
Okay, but you come soon, promise?
Promise. Be a good girl, help Mom, and keep smiling.
I will, Sissy. You look like a princess today.
And you're my little fairy. Bye, my love.
Bye, Sissy. I love you.
I love you more.
Hello, my lovely brothers and sisters. Did you like this story? This was my wedding day, a very special day full of love, laughter, and happy tears. My little sister, Lila, made this day even more beautiful. Family love is the most precious thing in the world, right? So take care of your family and always tell them how much you love them. Thank you for watching and learning English with us today. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.